Hey folks, welcome back here to the Vegas Don channel. We're here at Lake Mead at Hoover Dam. This is, you can see how low the water level has gotten here, but we're still approving new homes here in Las Vegas. And there is the Hoover Dam, at least the backside of it. Or as Clark W. Griswold might say, the Dam. And then there in the distance is Interstate 11, 1,500 feet away from the dam. Just a spectacular accomplishment putting that thing in here to help give Arizona, Nevada, and California water. And fed by the Colorado River. Thanks for joining, folks. We'll see you next time.